In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video background in Canva Magic Studio. We'll start by bringing your clip into Canva, remove the original background in a click, then drop in a new scene that blends naturally. I'll share simple adjustments and export tips along the way. Open Canva in your browser and choose Create a Design. Pick a canvas that matches your project, Instagram Reel, YouTube, or a custom size, then upload your video. Drag the clip onto the canvas. If it doesn't fit, pull the corner handles to fill the frame while keeping your subject centered. Next, click the video so the top toolbar appears, then choose Edit Video. Select Background Remover and let Canva do the heavy lifting. It will analyze your clip and isolate the subject. Give it a moment. When it finishes, scrub the timeline to confirm the background is consistently removed. With the background gone, add a new one. Open the left panel and browse Elements, Photos, or Videos. Search for a scene, texture, or graphic that matches your vibe, then drag it onto the canvas. If it covers your subject, move it behind and scale it to fill the frame. To make everything feel natural, do a quick blend pass. Select the background and tweak brightness and contrast so lighting matches your subject. Adjust warmth or saturation to align colors. A small blur on the background adds depth and helps the subject pop. Finally, resize and position the subject realistically. If you want a little polish, add optional effects. A subtle shadow under the subject adds realism, gentle animations can bring backgrounds to life, and clean text overlays help tell your story. Keep effects light so they support the footage rather than distract from it. When you're happy, click Share in the top right, choose Download, and select MP4 for smooth playback. Pick the resolution your platform prefers, then export. Canva will render and prepare a file you can upload anywhere, complete with your new background and adjustments. That's it. Your video now has a fresh background made in minutes. Practice with different scenes and color treatments until you find a look that fits your brand. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your next standout video in Canva Magic Studio.